Hello, plant enthusiasts. We're about to explore a topic that's essential for creating the perfect bedroom oasis. Join us as we unveil the 6 worst plants for bedrooms. From allergens to intrusive growth habits, these green companions might not be the peaceful sleep partners you're hoping for. Let's dive in and learn what to avoid in your bedroom sanctuary. Peace lilies, Spathiphyllum, are known for their elegant appearance and air-purifying qualities. However, they may not be the best choice for bedrooms due to their potential to trigger allergies in some individuals. Their pollen and sap can irritate sensitive noses and skin, making them less ideal for creating a peaceful sleep environment. English ivy, Heterohelix, is an attractive trailing plant often used for its aesthetic appeal. However, it may not be suitable for bedrooms due to its invasive nature. It can rapidly overtake spaces, requiring frequent pruning and potentially causing maintenance hassles and allergic reactions for sensitive sleepers. The rubber plant, Ficus elastica, is admired for its glossy leaves, but it's less ideal for bedrooms. Its latex sap can irritate sensitive skin, and the plant may trigger allergies. Additionally, its size and growth habits might make it less suitable for smaller bedroom spaces. Aloe vera, renowned for its healing properties, may not be the best choice for bedrooms due to its spiky leaves, which can be hazardous in tight spaces, especially for restless sleepers. While its gel has multiple uses, its physical structure doesn't fit the tranquil bedroom environment. Lavender, celebrated for its calming scent, can be a double-edged sword in bedrooms. While its fragrance promotes relaxation for many, it may be too overpowering for others, causing headaches or allergies. Selecting the right plant based on individual sensitivities is key for a restful sleep environment. Scented geraniums, with their aromatic leaves, add a delightful touch to gardens. However, their strong fragrances might not suit bedrooms, potentially causing discomfort or allergies. In tranquil sleep spaces, subtler scents often prevail for a restful night's sleep. And there you have it, the not-so-sleep-friendly plants you should steer clear of in your bedroom. If you found this information helpful, make sure to hit that subscribe button and to ring the notification bell so you can create the most serene and restful sleep environment possible. Thanks for joining us today. Until next time, sweet dreams.